My frame rail finally showed up for this Jeep, and then I'm going to cut my section.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona.
I have a Honda CRV here. This one got smacked down low in the back, and you can see it folded up the trunk floor. Really bad. I have a new trunk floor here. I'm going to repair the rear body panels, just rolled in mostly across the bottom. I think when I pull it, that should walk out. But it's going to get a new trunk floor. But to start with, I'm going to go ahead and fix this one's crushed all throughout this area. The tricky part about these is it has to be exactly perfect because it has a molding that snaps into all of these holes. So if all of those holes aren't exactly where they're supposed to be, that molding won't snap in correctly. So I'm going to start working this out, get that molding to fit correctly. Alright, I'm going to see how this molding fits up now, see if it snaps in correctly. So I have this molding snapped in, and I don't know how well you guys will be able to see this, but these top 4 clips in the center, the metal needs to come out more because they're not snapping in all the way. Across the bottom are snapping in good, but I got to work out the metal at the top 4 clips across the top there. So now I have 3 of the 4 snapping in, or 2 of the 4 actually. I need to get these middle ones out a little more. We're at now we're snapping in good this time. It's finally out where it's supposed to be. Well, I have this lift gate all ready for primer. Molding snaps in there good. So I'm going to actually stop on this one for now because I have to get into this floor next. But my part finally showed up. My frame rail finally showed up for this Jeep just a few minutes ago, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the other part of this on.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
This one got hit in the back and it actually buckled both of the frame rails. Now they have a sectioning procedure. Alright, the left frame rail is all done. My right one should be showing up tomorrow. So since I'm only using a section of this frame rail, I have to separate this top floor piece off of here. That's going to be trash, and then I'm going to cut my section where I want it as it goes in. They have it sectioned 80 millimeters back from this hole right here. So I'm going to go ahead and trim this piece apart first. Well, I got this one all fit together, measures out perfectly, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get this one all welded together. Then I'll get it down off the frame rack.